Hello students, I hope you all are fine there. Till now we discussed many operation on set. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about one more operation on set. And this operation on set is Cartesian product of sets. What is this Cartesian product? Suppose we have two non-empty sets A and B. Then the Cartesian product can be defined as set of all possible ordered pair from set A to B. Let's see how. Suppose we have a set A and A is element of set A. At the same time, we have a different set B and B is the element of set B. Then the set of all possible ordered pair, that is ordered pair means AB, and the set of all possible ordered pair AB is called Cartesian product of set A to B. Let us understand the Cartesian product in a diagram. How? Suppose we have a set A. This is our set A. Elements of this set A are 1, 2, 3, 4. At the same time, we have a set B. Elements of set B are A, B, C. Then the set of all ordered pair. An ordered pair, we know what is ordered pair. The ordered pair means the pair of two elements, one belongs to set A and other belongs to set B. What are the possible ordered pair and how to find them? Let's find them. Then the first element from set A, that is 1. So 1 related with A. Also 1 related with B, 1 related with C. So we got 3 ordered pair. The ordered pairs are, the first one is 1 comma A, the first ordered pair. Second ordered pair 1 comma B, 1 comma B, second ordered pair. 1 comma C, 1 comma C, third order pair. After that, again 2 related with A, 2 related with B, and 2 related with C. Again we get some ordered pair. They are 2 comma A, 2 comma B, and 2 comma C. After that, 3 related with A, 3 related with B, and 3 related with C. So after that we will get 3 comma A, 3 comma B, 3 comma C. Then in the same way, 4 related with A, 4 related with B, 4 related with C. Then we get 4 comma A, 4 comma B, 4 comma C. These are the all possible ordered pair which can be defined from set A to set B. And this set of all possible ordered pair is called Cartesian product of sets. And this Cartesian product can be denoted as A cross B, because this Cartesian product is defined from set A to B. That's why we are denoting it A cross B. And the element of this set are these. These are the element of this set A cross B, that is Cartesian product of sets. One more concept you can observe from here, that is number of element in set A in this case is 4. Number of element in set B in this case is 3. Then number of element in this Cartesian product of A and B you can count. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, that means 4 into 3. That means if you know the number of element in the two sets, then you can find out the number of element in the Cartesian product. That means we can write here that n A cross B is equal to n A, number of elements in set A, into number of element in set B. In the same way, the Cartesian products can also be defined in 3 sets. Let us understand how to define a Cartesian product in 3 sets. So to define Cartesian product in 3 sets, first let us have 3 sets. So we have set A. Elements of set A are 1, 2. We have a non-empty set B. Elements of set B are A, B. Then we have a third set C. Element of this non-empty set C, that is X, Y, Z. To find Cartesian product of the 3 sets, first we have to find Cartesian product of first 2 sets. That is, the first 2 sets we have our set A. Element of set A are 1 and 2. Element of set B are A, B. Now we know how to find A cross B. So A cross B is equal to 1 to A. That means 1, A. 1 to B. Then we got 1, B. 2 to A, so we got 2, A. Then 2 to B, so we got 2, This is how we got A cross B. That means Cartesian product of set A and B. But we have to find A cross B cross C. To find A cross B cross C, we will represent it. We are going to break it in 2 parts. That is, the first will be A cross B cross C. We got the elements of A cross B. Then let's put them. So we will get here A cross B, that is equal to 1, A. 1, B, 2, A and 2, B. Then cross C, and C is this set. So we will do it X, Y, Z. Then we will find the cross product of this set and this set. Again we will represent the 2 sets in a diagram and find the cross product. How? The 2 sets. The first set we having is A cross B. The element of this set are 1, A, 1, B, 2, A and 2, B. Other set we have is C, and element of this set are X, Y, Z. Then let's do the cross product. First element to first, then y, then z. So we got the elements. They are 1 comma a comma x. Then 1 comma a comma y. Then 1 comma a comma z. Then we will get all ordered pair from second element, that is 1 comma b to x, 1 comma b to y, 1 comma b to z. That is 2 comma a comma x, 2 comma a comma y, 2 comma a comma z. After that, we will find all the ordered pair from this element, that is 2 comma b comma x, 2 comma b comma y, 2 comma b comma z. And this set is called Cartesian product of three sets A, B and C.